So guys, good evening to all of you. This is Minakshi and welcome to CWJ. So this is our first live and please share the session and let me know that voice is clear or not. And please do some volume up in your phone. Okay. It's okay, Abhineet. So देखो as we already discussed that we will start your mains classes here, but on 3 September you have IBPS clerical exam. So I am coming here with one fire session on live mock test. So please join and we will do according to timer. Okay. So what is the real time approach in your examination? So today we are going to discuss about all these things. Okay. How much time we have to provide for caselets, how much time for quadratic, how much time for arithmetic for particular question. Okay, thank you so much guys. So we have some rules here. Okay, and please crack with Minakshi ma'am. Yeah, actually uh, so you are learning from 2 to 3 months or from 1 year, but today we are going to discuss something important for your examination, because you all are doing arithmetic but you are not able to do in your prelims examination. So how can we do in like a minimum time? Okay, like today some rules are here and now we are going to start. First thing is this: the highlights of today's session is the level is completely moderate. Okay, so here is your arithmetic, caselets, wrong number series, tabular di, approximation and quadratic. Okay, so two levels are there moderate, like arithmetic is totally moderate level. Okay, you can expect in IBPS PO also. So do like this, like one level up, so you will do in your examination like fire. Okay, so please adjust with my English language. Okay, so let's start. This time we have this much things, and this is our Telegram group, Banking Smartly, and Quant by Minakshi discussion group, and this is my Instagram ID, Maxima Minma. Okay, so rules for this mock. अब मजा आएगा, सारे जितने भी यहाँ पर वो है लाइक नॉर्थ वाले एस्पिरेंट्स, ठीक है, कल से तुम लोग मेरी क्लास में वोट लगाओगे. So सबसे पहले तो वड़क्कम मक्काले in your Tamil, in our Tamil language. Okay, I don't know Tamil but I will try to learn. Okay, for you guys. चलिए, let's see. Rule for this mock is I will give you the time first for speed maths topic. Okay, speed maths, that means your number series, quadratic equation, approximation, simplification. For each question I will decide here 20. Okay, 20 seconds for your speed maths portion and 30 seconds for your arithmetic. Okay, sometimes arithmetic is like moderate level, so you are not able to do in 30 seconds. Okay, but you can take 40 seconds. I will give you time for it. Okay, so we can start here, and the second thing is try to answer within a time. Don't panic, because you can do. Okay, usually students are thinking, okay, we can cover like in quant like 25 is enough, but why you are thinking like this? Only 25 marks you can score in quant section. You can do 35 out of 35 in clerical exam, guys. This is possible for you. When you are targeting 35, that means you will cross 30 plus. Okay, in north side cutoff is very high. I don't know about like south, how much cutoff last year. Okay, so now shall we start, guys? Bataएं. And share the session first, and please do like. Okay, for your appreciation here. Yes, सारे नालायक आ गए नॉर्थ के. ओके, वड़क्कम कीर्तिराज, वड़क्कम guys. ठीक है, so shall we start now? You all are ready or not? And in upcoming days, if response is good, so I am going to start here your mains level sessions, okay, for RRB PO and IBPS PO. So if you are appreciating, if you are liking my daily videos, then we will start mains on regular basis, because I am not here for only prelims. I will provide you only mains classes here. Okay, ready? Ready, steady, go. Okay, so then we are going to start. And if you want PDF of this session, then you can join my Telegram group, Banking Smartly, and Instagram. Okay, but for PDF you can join my Telegram. So now we are going to start, and this is your new batch. The language is bilingual, that means explanation in like Hindi and English, and your content is in English and Hindi. Okay, so this is our new batch, Rudra Vikram batch. I have launched on Guidely. Okay, this is the packages, and if you want, then you can go with this. Okay, for your upcoming SBI period, IBPS period. Okay, and I am giving you this batch free with this combo. So first is caselet, but we are not going. We are going with wrong number series. So your time start now. 20-second timer. First you have to do. Then after that I will let you know. Okay. No, I don't know Tamil actually. First question is really very easy. You can do by like without pen and paper. Okay. So we are here only for like how to approach in real examination. Okay, I am not here to telling you like how to solve percentage and time and work. I am here for how to approach in your real examination. 9, okay, very good. See, 4, 9, 16, 125, 36, 343. Okay, this is what 7 ka cube. This is what 5 ka cube. This is what 4 ka square. This is 6 ka square. That means in alternate position we have here square and cubes. So this one is like 4 ka square. This is 5 ka cube. This is 6 ka square. This is 7 ka cube. That means odd follow cube and even follows square. Okay, so this one is what odd, the following cube. That means 3 ka cube should be the correct one. That means 9 is wrong. Option number what? 4 is correct. Within a 20-second you can do in your examination. Okay, today arithmetic level is moderate and rest is up to the exam level. Okay, is it clear, guys? Okay, now we are moving to the next question. If you have any doubt, then you can ask in English, guys. Okay, because I don't know Tamil, so I will not able to answer you in Tamil. Second question. Relatives, yes, Rahul. Now your time is up. Will correct Kishore. Tamil, I only know Vadakkam and Mulaipu and Makkal. Okay, only 3 words I know. And Thambi and Anna. Okay, here is what we have now. Like there is, you can see the rapidly increase. Okay, so here is 3, here is 12, here is like 48, and these all are multiples. Okay, how? 1 into 3, that means 3. 3 into 4, that is 12. Here is into 4. Here is what? Into 3. And here is what? Into 3. So what we can do here, like 3, 4, 3, 4, 3. We can do alternate multiplication with into 3 or into 4. Okay. So if there is into 3, there is into 4. Okay. So this one is what? 12 3s are 36. Okay, and 36 4s are what? 144. That means satisfied. Okay, in this condition, if you are going with alternate method, okay, then please like verify the second one also. Okay, sometimes there is some jhol. Okay, so what we have here, like 48 is the wrong one. Option number 1 is correct. Okay, now your next question is this. Do. Yeah, Anna means big bro. Thambi means little bit, na? Younger one. I'm not going to tell you anything what you are writing here, okay? I know you all are trolling me. This time, what we have here, like 35, 45, 60, 90, that means we can say nearby, okay? So we can go with difference here, okay? There is what? 30 difference. There is what? 60. There is 7 with a 5, 2. This is 120, okay? Multiple 32s are 62s are, okay? That means this one should be what? 15. That means 52s are 30. Okay, so this one should be what? 15. That means what? 7.52s are 15, okay? If we are going with this with back side, that means we have to do 120 by 2 divide by 2 divide by 2 divide by 2. 50 by 2, that means we have to multiply with this 7.5 plus 1, okay? So sorry, we have to add or subtract, okay? Because so 7.5, when we subtracting 45 minus 7.5, that means what we have here? 37.5. That means 35 will be your wrong. Option number 4 is correct. Clear? Clear one? Okay. Guys, the main target for this session is not for you. I am teaching you complete mock. You have to do within a time. If you are not able to do, that means how to do. You have to learn. Okay. Next one. And this is my first class in pure English language. Okay. So please manage with my 2 to the 4 and Atwa to Chaucer. And please like the session, guys. If you are liking, that means you have to like this session. Now what we have here? You have this like simple difference here. So what we have here, like plus 10. Okay, there is you can see increasing, decreasing, increasing, increasing, then decreasing. Okay, that means there is something wrong because series following like decreasing, increasing. Okay, so here is what? Minus ka 20. Here plus 10 minus 20, so plus 30 minus 40, and this one is plus 50. Okay, this one is correct. Okay, but there is something wrong. What? 300 minus 40, that means this will be 260. Okay, that means 340 wrong. Okay, exact level hai. We can expect this level in your IBPS clerk and PO examination. Okay, is it clear or not? Okay, very good, guys. Now for next question, you have again 20 seconds. So let's do. Quick. 340. Okay. Alternate. Kirtiraj 52. No. Again. Kishore 43, 52. You guys are confused. Okay. So see again what you have here. This is 5. Okay. And this one is 5 to 7. And here is what? 11. Okay. You are making prime number, I think. Okay. Okay. Let we discuss. 12 में से 3, 9. Okay, and this one is what? 5 में से 2, 3, 13. Okay, what you are following here, like this one is wrong because you are you observed this 9. Okay, always remember one thing in first slab. If one is wrong, that means if we are like doing first single difference, that means there is 2 wrong. Okay, and if we are going for third, that means there is 3 wrong. So there is only 1 wrong. How can be possible? Okay, so this one is not wrong, guys. Why are you saying like 52? See here, 5, 7. If this one is 9, this one is 11. That means we are completing our series. Okay, so if we are doing this, so 9 to 11. This one is 41. And 41, 11, 52. That means this one is right. Wrong one is 43. Okay. 2 patterns definitely will come in your examination. Prime pattern. Okay, you will definitely find this pattern in your number series, like So, the smallest even prime number is 2. 1 is not any prime number. Okay, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. Okay, and so on. These are prime numbers. Sometimes they are starting with your 3, 5, 7. Okay, like this 3, 5, 7. That means you have two cases, 3, 5, 7, 9 or 3, 5, 7, 11. Okay, so don't be confused with this number. You have to verify your answer after the exact pattern. Okay, next, odd number difference. Yeah, simply here they are following odd number. Now next one is your quadratic. We are going with the speed maths to boost your speed. Okay, and last we will do case slit. After this we will do arithmetic. Okay, so this one is very easy. You can answer this within a 5 seconds. Thank you. Yeah, response is good. That means we will do main session here. Okay, no issue. I will, and when I'm used to with English, that means we have no gap here for like language barrier and all, because quant has no language barrier. Okay, no. So let me start here. Like this is minus plus. Okay, for quadratic equation, you know, if there is minus plus, that means x both roots are positive. Okay, and y both root are negative. Why? There is plus plus. That means you can answer directly. Positive is always greater than negative. That means option is x greater than y. Option number A is correct. Okay, simple one. Is it clear or not? Okay, guys, chal. Your next question is this. I am taking some like 3-digit number here, so you can learn if these type of factors are coming, then how to solve. Thank you, Mukesh, Rinku, and thank you so much, North people and South people, because we are India. Okay, there is nothing like North and South. 132. Okay, so how can we factorize this pattern? If you are getting here three-digit number and here 2-digit number, always remember one thing, you have to take two-digit numbers. Okay, so what we have here 23, so we have to make factors from here, like we have to get like addition, okay, of this factor 23. So 132. Okay, so this is the multiple of 11. 11 ones are 11, 11 twos are 22. Okay, and 11 and 12 sum is 23. That means minus plus. So x factor both are positive. One is 11 and one is 12. Okay, here is negative sign with constant term. Always remember one point, if you are getting negative sign with constant term, then that means you have to take difference of the factors. Okay, never go with the addition. You have to take difference of the factor. That means this is 55. You know that 55 is very easy. 11 5s are 55. And you also know that 11 minus 5 is 6. There is minus 6. That means there should be minus 11 and plus 5. Then we get minus 6. Okay. Then the factors with opposite sign, plus 11 and minus 5. Clear? So what we have here, 11 is equal to this, 11 is greater than this, and 12 plus 12 is greater than plus 11 and this one. That means overall x greater than y, and in one case x is equal to y. So x greater than equal to y. Option number 2 is correct. Is it clear or not? Thank you. Okay, and guys, share the session, guys. Next. This is linear equation, okay? Waiting for main session. Okay, if response is good, guys, then I will definitely start your main session. I'm starting with this session because your examination on 3 September or 4 September. That's why I'm taking this session on Sunday. I'm thinking to take like main session today, but then I think that IBPS CLERK is here, so we have to make one mock test session for it. Okay. What we have here, you can do this with alpha gamma method. Okay, you have two methods here, and you can do this with the simple method, because you can eliminate their 2y. Why? This is 2y, this is y, so we can multiply with this with 2. Then 2 5s are 10x minus 2y, and this is 12 2s are 24. Okay, when, after this we can add both the equation. This one cancel. 10 plus 3, 13x, and this one is what? 8, 4, 12, 52. 13 4s are 52. If x is 4, if you are taking x is equal to 4, 4 5s are 20 minus 12, y is 8. Okay, that means y greater than x. Okay, this is your simple method. Okay, sometimes in mains examination, okay, when you are facing any di or equation based questions, then that time you have to use alpha gamma method. It will work more rather than this. Okay, so how to use alpha gamma method here? Like you have we can cross this. So what is alpha gamma method? You have to take this part. Now alpha, that means alpha 12 2s are 24. Gamma minus, so my 28 minus 1, that means minus minus plus 28. Okay, upon me what? Alpha, then gamma. Gamma 5 into 2, so 5 2s are 10, or minus minus plus, that is 3. What we have? 52 by 13. Again x is equal to what? 4. So you have to use this method also. Okay, clear? Clear guys? विनोद नहीं देख रहा है, ठीक है? Next. Your time start now. Within a 20 second, you have to do this. Okay. Thank you, Arjun. Vikram batch English Seturam. Okay, I will try. But you can join Vikram batch also. Okay. Because I am in full form this time. I will not give you like at what to Joseph. 8 8s are 64 guys. Okay. Because of your love, I am here. Okay. I visited Tamil Nadu last 2 weeks, and I found that guys are very good and very honest and respectful. That's why I'm here. I have also 4 to 5 classes in Guidely, paid plus YouTube. But I am taking here only for you on Sunday, guys. Okay. Like this is 60. Clear? This is 30. And what the factor of 30? There is positive sign, there is negative sign. You know that. If negative, that means you have to take difference of factors. So 60 is factor, 10 is to n to 6, but 10 minus 6 is not 7, but 12 5s are 60, but 12 minus 5 is 7, but here is minus 7. You don't need to learn any, like you have to mug up sign method and all. If you are going with this thing, that means you can remember this for the long time, guys. Okay, like this one minus ka, so yahan par what, minus 12 plus 5 there should be, so x factor with opposite sign, plus ka 12 and minus 5, and what we have here, 6 5s are 30, matlab 6 plus 5, so with opposite sign here is minus 6 and minus 5. What we have here, 12 is greater than this because this is positive, this one is greater than this one is equal to this, and this one is also greater than this. That means overall what we have here, x greater than equal to y. Option number 2 is correct. आई बात समझ में? Need application sum session. Today's application sum is awesome, guys. Caselet is also exact level, so stay tuned till the end. You will definitely enjoy today's class. Okay, I am not providing you like easy level question and all because it will not work you till the mains. If I am providing you these kind of content, that means you will definitely do like 30 plus marks in your prelims, clerk or PO, whatever. Okay, Fayaz, I will definitely do. ठीक है? Thank you, Karthik. So, what we have in this question, guys? Simple. Okay, there is 99. That means 11 nines are 99. Positive. That means 11 9 20. So, you have to do directly in your examination without pen and paper. You can go also with this question without pen and paper because this one is what, 9 4s are, and this one is what, 10 9s are. That means y greater than equal to x. Without pen and paper you can do. Okay, option number 5 lo. Okay, but how to do, you have to learn first na. So there is 99, so 11 and 9 both are positive, that means minus 11 and 9 x. What is y? There is 36. You have 3 option here. Okay, 6 6 are 36, 12 3s are 36, and 9 4s are 36. But what will work here? 6 6 12, 13 nahi hota, 12 3 15, 9 4 13. That means this one will work, minus 9 and minus 4. Now what we have? Minus minus minus, in minus lesser value is greater, that means minus 4 is greater than this and is greater than this, and a minus 9 is greater than this and also equal to this. That means overall what we have, y greater than equal to x. Click a yes for main session. We will start here main session. Okay, no issue. Because of your examination, I am starting this. Okay, this is only one class for your prelims examination. After that, we will go with for RRB PO and SBI PO. Your time is start now. Now, all arithmetics are moderate level, so don't panic and do this. Okay, you will definitely get the same type of questions. Alpha gamma method once more, Nitin. Let me remind this thing at the end of the session. I will explain. Okay. South people in English. Okay, Kamraj, I will do that. I will definitely do, guys. The area of circle is this one. Okay, always remember one point. If radius is 14, okay, then always remember one point. Area of circle is, because many times this thing is repeated in your PO and clerical examination, even in your SSC examination. Okay, so if R is equal to 14, that means pi R square directly you can learn 616. Okay, it will reduce your time. Clear? Alpha gamma method teach. Okay, I will teach you after this session, at the end of the session. Okay, so what we have here, area of circle is this. That means pi R square is equal to 770. That means directly you can write 22 by 7. R square is equal to 770. Okay, 11 2s are 11 7s are 2 से कट करोगे 2 3s are 2 5s are. Okay, 7 5s are area of circle. Okay, sorry, more than. Okay, let me correct one thing. More than the area of circle B. Two circles are here, सर्कल ए एंड सर्कल बी. ठीक है, तो ये बोला है यहाँ पर कितना है 770. ओके, एंड द रेशियो ऑफ द रेडियस ऑफ सर्कल ए टू बी इज 3:2. लेट इसको 3x कह दो और इसको 2x कह दो. अब फॉर्मूला तो लगाना ही पड़ेगा. क्या आपका पाई आर स्क्वायर, दैट मीन्स पाई 3x स्क्वायर, ओके, माइनस पाई 2x स्क्वायर. नाउ pi is common, that means 22 by 7 we can take here. 3 3s are 9x square minus 4x square is equal to what? 770. Now 11 2s are or 11 7s are. Okay, 2 3s are and 2 5s are. ठीक है, अब 5x square is equal to what? 7 5s are 35 and 7 3s are 21 और 3 कितना होता है? 245. Okay, this is my problem. X square is equal to what? 5 4s are 20 and 5 9s are. That means x should be 7. What they are asking here, find the perimeter of circle B. Okay, perimeter of circle B. What is the radius of B? Twice of x. X is equal to 7. That means twice x is equal to 14. Perimeter of B, 2 pi r. 2 into 22 by 7 into what? 14. 7 2s are 44, 2s are 88. Option number 1 is correct. ठीक है. Actually, I am taking here some moderate level arithmetic, guys, because one liner arithmetic will not increase your confidence in your examination, because they are giving you tricky questions this time. If they are giving you one liner also, that means they are giving you tricky questions. Okay, thank you, Sanapati. Next one, your time is start now. This one is very beautiful question. Okay, thank you, Nanda. What about SO prelims question? If you are doing IBPS PO prelims level or mains level, that means you will cover your SO level questions. Okay, for the same section, not for your like subject wise section. Train A started from Chennai. 5 a.m. started. Okay, with the speed travel towards Mumbai with 45 km per hour. Okay, very easy one. Okay, B started. So A started from here and B started from Mumbai at 7:30 a.m. Okay, travels towards the Chennai. Okay, they are moving in the opposite direction. Now with 50 km per hour, both speeds are given. if they will meet at 10 a.m. So they are meeting here some 10 a.m. What is the distance between the Chennai and Mumbai? So what we have here, speed, okay, and time also. They will meet here something, we don't know where, at what distance they will meet, but A will cover some distance from here and B will cover some distance from here. That means if we are calculating here how much distance A travel and how much distance B travel. So till 10 a.m., 5 a.m. to 10 a.m. what we have? We have 5 hours, okay? 5 a.m. to 10 a.m., 5 to 6, 6 to 7, 7 to 8, 8 to 9, and 9 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 hours, okay? So 45. With the speed of 45, A will cover in 5 hours. 5 5s are 25, 5 4s are 20. 225 distance. Clear? Now, from here, B started from 7:30 a.m. and till 10 a.m. How much distance cover? With 50. So 50 is speed. Speed into time is distance. Okay. So 7:30 to 10 a.m. we have like 2.5 hours here. Okay. So we can multiply with 2.5 hours. 25 5s are 125. Add this. So total distance between A and B is 5 5 10, 2 2, 4 and 5. This is 350. Option number what? 4 is correct. Okay. Any doubt here? You can ask, guys. If you have any doubt, you can ask. 350 is the correct answer. That means you have to do nothing here. You know which time they will meet. Always we are doing like these kind of questions. What is the time? Then they will meet. Okay. But here time is given. Okay. You have to find out the distance between A and B. You know that if someone is starting from there, someone is starting from there, and they are meeting somewhere between A and B. Okay, that means he has to cover this distance and he has to cover this distance, and this is the total distance. We can add. Okay, so now we are moving to the next question here. This one, your second question. Start. If they give distance, then how to find time? Time is equal to what? If they are giving you distance, that means first one is starting from 5 and second one is 7:30. That means you have to cover this time. 5 to 7, that means 2.5 hours. First A is moving, that means A is moving with 45, that means you have to cover this distance, 45 into 2.5. After that, you have some, like there is A is covering some distance, and after that A is A is in this point and B is starting from that point. Okay, this is starting from 50 and this is starting from 45. That means what? You have to find out the time. That means you have distance. You if this is total distance x, you have covered like 10 kilometer. That means this one is x minus 10. Okay, and this is given. Okay, so time is equal to what? X minus 10, and they are moving in the opposite direction. That means you have to add this speed. Distance upon speed, you can easily find out. Okay, now in this question, what we have? The cost price of a bottle is 2/3 of the cost price of the flask. Okay, in the cost price, water and flask here, 2:3, the ratio between their cost prices. If the shopkeeper sold the bottle at the profit of 25%, okay, 25% profit, and the flask sold at the profit of 15%. Okay, now what we have here? He get the profit of 380. Okay, he get the profit of 380. So profit, how can we calculate the profit on cost price? We are calculating here profit. Okay, so you can do like this. You can take this 200 and this is 300. Okay, so what here we have profit 25 twos are 50, and here we have profit 15 threes are 45. Okay, now what we have, total profit 95, and this is given, he get overall profit is 380. 19 fives are 90, 19 fives are 95, or 19 twos are, that means 1 unit's value, 5 fours are 20. What they are asking here, cost price of the bottle. So 200 unit is the cost price of bottle. So you have to multiply with this. That means the final answer would be 800. Is it clear or not? Guys, you are comfortable now? Yeah, very good. Okay. 800 is the correct one. In this question, you have simple things. Okay. We did some questions on allegation also, but we can't apply allegation here because we can't like predict the total cost price. And if we are applying here allegation, that means 25% we have 15%, but we don't have the complete profit, overall profit here in the percentage form. That's why we can't apply here allegation. Okay, next. The next one is this. Very easy question. You can do within a 30 seconds. Your time is start now. What is the must body? It's okay, Ganesh. Okay, very good. किसने दिया है? अन्नाथी. Very good. 1500. Are you correct? Okay, let's see. Rohan invested P in a compound interest 20% per annum for 2 years. You know that I always told you one thing, that for 10% CI, for 2 years CI rate is, effective rate is 21%. For 10% 3 year effective CI rate is 33.1%. For 20% 2 years CI effective rate is 44%. Okay, how we are calculating it? Because CI is successive, successive, that means x plus y plus xy by 100, and we have here x is equal to y is equal to 20, so you can put here, and after that you will get 44%. Okay, now what we have here, he obtained the interest of this one. Okay, that means 20% 2 year CI is 44% of what, principal, and this one is given what, 1100. Okay, so you can cut this part, 11 fours are, so P is equal to what, 25 टाइम्स जाएगा और ये 20 इधर, that means 2500. Okay, P is equal to 2500. So you have principal here. He if he invested the same amount in simple interest at 30% per annum for 2 years. So for simple interest, if for 1 year rate is 30%, for 2 years rate is 30 into 2, for 3 year 30 into 3. This is very easy part. So 32 is 60%. So you have to do only what, 32s are 60% of what, this principal, because they are investing on the same principal. 25 6 are what, 150. 20% is cancel 0, that means 1500. Option number 3 is correct. Okay, got it? Any doubt, anyone? Okay, now we are moving to the next question, and you have to answer first. Okay, before me, please try to answer. Next one. Today I am slow because of you guys, because this is my first live on CWJ, so I don't want to like feel that you are feeling like ma'am is very fast and all. That's why I'm slow. And next session, if I am taking in upcoming days for prelims, so we will solve together, okay, within a time. Okay, so here is ratio of the present age of Raj and Shiva. For this question, you have amazing trick. Okay, no need to solve. Okay, you can solve, but in prelims examination you have to apply some tricks also. I'm not saying like you can learn these things and you can mug up these things. Okay, but you have to do some smart approaches also in your examination, because you don't have much time here. You can attempt all the arithmetic within a time. ratio of the present age of Raj and Shiva. Okay, so 4:5, clear? And the ratio of the ages of Raj before 4 years. Ages of Raj before 4 years, that means R minus 4. And Shiva's age after 6 years is 5:9. Ravi is 3 years younger than Shiva. So Ravi is 3 years younger than Shiva. What is the present age of Ravi? Okay, these type of questions you can do by option also. Okay, if we are taking first option, that means if Ravi is 3 years younger than Shiva, and here is given present age of Raj and Shiva. So Shiva's age is multiple of 5. Okay, multiple of 5. If we are taking first option, that means multiple of 5 and plus 3, 27 plus 3, because this is Ravi's age. Okay, so 27 plus 3 would be the age of what? Shiva. That means this one is 30. If this is 30, that means this one is what? 5 6 are, so 4 6 are 24. Okay, so we have to verify this part. R minus 4, so R minus 4, that means 20, and S plus 6 after 6 year age, this one. So 4 5s are and 4 9s are. 5:9 satisfied, that means first one is correct. Okay, so you can go with options also. How can we do this, ma'am? Here is present age ratio, Raj and Shiva. What? 4:5. Okay, that means Shiva's age is a multiple of 5, and Ravi is 3 years younger than Shiva. That means this is Ravi's age. Okay, they are asking for Ravi's age, so these are the Ravi's age. If we are doing plus 3, 24 plus 3, this is not multiple of 5 because this is 27. If we are doing here plus 3, 8 3 11 31, this is not multiple of 5. If we are doing plus 3, this is also not multiple of 2. That means this one is correct. But there is none of this. That's why I am doing this verification in front of you guys. Okay, I hope same approach, very good, most wanted. Okay, none is there, so we can't take risk, ma'am. Yeah, Ramesh, that's why there is none. That's why I am verifying your answer here. You have time for this, but if you are taking like this one 4x and 5x and doing cross multiplication, that means it will take your time in your examination, and you will definitely get 2 to 3 questions like this. Okay, so you can do. Next one. Okay, so this one is your DI. We will do this later. Before this, we are going with the approximation. Okay, so try to do these questions without pen and paper. Okay, when you are analyzing your mock test, many students have doubt, that means ma'am, mock test marks are not increasing, we are doing on regular basis but there is no improvement. So guys, where is the improvement? When you are doing analysis, that means when you are sitting for the analysis, then try to do some questions without pen and paper. Do some mind calculation for approximation and wrong number series, how to approach in one time. Okay, first question is this 2. Ganesh keh raha, ma'am, you are very slow. Yeah, I'm slow because of 2 reasons. Because I want to connect with South people, with their like demand, how they feel. If they want like this speed, that means we can go with this speed. If they want like, ma'am, please go fast, then we can go with our real speed, no issue. Okay, and one major thing is your English language also. Okay, now this question is completely without pen and paper, guys. Okay, how can you do this question without pen and paper? So see, there is 11.8, 0.5. If the value is above 0.5, that means we can take the next value. 11.5 is 12, and this is 9.9, 10. 12 into 10, that means 120. Here is what we have, 40. So 120 minus 40, that means here what we have, 80. And this one is 3, this is 180. So 3 6 are. Okay, and 80 plus 60, what? 140. Your answer is 5. Okay. Now you can do with paper pen also. This one is 180. This is by 3. So you are taking some time here. 12 by 10. Sorry, 12 into 10 is equal to x plus 40. So what? 120 minus 140, that means this one is 80. And here what we have, 3 6 are 80, 60 plus 80, you have 140. Okay, approach matters, guys. Okay, if you are doing good approach, this is not you are doing 100 question in a day. Okay, this is not working in your real examination. This will not work. But if your approach is good, that means you will do with your smart work 35 out of 35. Okay, without pen and paper you can do this question within a 20 second, 400. Okay, now how to approach this question without pen and paper? Okay, so this one is 260, this is 4, and this is 30. 30 into the 26, that means 20 into 4, 80. Here is x by 4.8, x by 5. X by 5 is equal to what you have? 80. That means 5 into 80, what? 8 5s are 40. 400. Okay. Option number 1 is correct. Now you can do with the pen paper also. X by 5 is equal to 260 into 4. Upon me what? 12.7. That means 13. This one is multiple of this. In approximation, always you get the multiple. Okay. Because they are not asking for you the tough calculation in prelims, because you have only 20 minutes. You have to use your mind more rather than your pen. Option number what? 13 2s are 4 2s are 80 into 5. That means what? 400. Option number 1 is correct. Now next. Your next question is this too. Today I took only arithmetic moderate level. Rest is your IBPS CLERK. Mental calculation gives us a far reaching, yeah, actually you have to try it. Guys, listen one thing, you can't achieve this thing within a day. You have to work for 10 to 15 days in your mock test analysis. You will definitely get result. Okay, and after getting result, let me know. Okay, what we have here, 40%. Okay, in this question what we have, 170 and this is 80. That means this one is 250 and this is what? 40%. That means 250 into 40, 25 fours are 100. And here what we have, 120. That means answer will be 20 without pen and paper. Okay, but with pen and paper, how to this question? This is 40%. Okay, and here is 170 plus 79.9, that is 80. 8 7 15, 8 7 15 मतलब 250. This is 250 and this is 40%. You know that percentage will be cancelled with this 2 zeros. Okay, plus x is equal to what? This is 120. So this is 25 fours are 100. 120 minus 100, that means 20. Simple. Okay, yeah, mind calculation you have to do if you want to clear your especially clerical examination, then you have to do. And it will work also in your arithmetic and DI portion, because you are used to with this process. Okay, now in this question what we have here, we can go with the y option. No, there is 5 key power. Okay, so 5 key power, they are asking for 5 key power. So what we have here, 195 minus 10, so 185. Okay, and what we have here, 5. Okay, so 300 by 5, that means 60. And here what we have, 185. So we can minus here 125. That means this one is 5 key power 3. So 3 will be the answer. Option number 3 is correct. Okay. If they are giving like a key power n and a key power n, so we can use, if same base are here and both are in multiplication to a की power m plus n. If they are giving a की power m upon a की power n, same base, and they are giving in division, that means a की power m minus n. This one is trending nowadays. Okay, this one. Without pen and paper, done within a 10 second. No, yeah, actually, in approximation, we can't go with the unit digit concept and by option, okay? Because this is your approximation. What we have here, this is 15.6. That means we have to take 16%. And this is 499. That means 500. So 16 fives are what? 80. And here is what? 20. 6 are 6 2s are 120 and 80. 200. And this is 150. 200 minus 150. That means your answer will be 50. Okay. Now we can use here pen paper. 150, this is plus x, and here is 16%, and we can go with this 500 because if we are taking 499, that means okay, in approximation we can go with this. Okay, plus 6 into 19.7, that means this will be 20, so 6 2s are 120. Okay, so here is what percentage 20 cancel, 6 5s are 80 plus 120, that means 200, and 200 minus 150, 50. Clear? Next. Now, do this question. We can expect this type of question, okay? Ma'am, आज पूरा English. Buddhadev, this is your Tamil channel. That's why I'm speaking in English, okay? They don't know Tamil. I don't know. Sorry, they know Tamil. I don't know Tamil. They don't know English. So we all know only English. That's why we are connecting in English language. So in this question, the boat covers 60 kilometer upstream in T hours and the boat covered 200 kilometer downstream in T hours. That means we can find out the ratio between downstream and upstream speed. Okay. After that, if the speed of the boat in still water is this, that means they are giving you x is equal to 20 kilometer per hour. Okay. Then find the downstream speed of the boat. So we can easily find out this value. Why? If we are taking the ratio of the speed, what upstream and downstream. So speed is equal to what? Distance upon time. Okay. So distance is in upstream case 60 kilometer and they are covering in T hours. Okay. And boat cover 200 kilometer in 2 T hours. Okay. So the ratio between the speed is T cancel 200. That means 2 3s are and 2 5s are. 3:5 ratio between upstream and downstream speed. Okay. That means we can say the speed of boat is what? Downstream plus upstream speed by 2. Okay. So this one is what? 5x and 3x. So you are taking what? 5 3 8x by 2. That means 4x. And the speed of boat is given what? 20. That means 2x, 4x is equal to what? 20. So x is equal to 5. You have to find out the downstream speed. That means 5x. So 5 into 5, that means 25. Option number 3 is correct. Thank you, Dilip. Okay, we can connect. If we are when we start with any new educator first time, that means we have to give some time. Okay, because there is some timing also to connect with others. So because I think first time I am taking class here in live mode. Okay. And this question is very good. You can expect in your IBPS PO prelims or SBI PO prelims. Okay. Do this question. Quick. Thank you, Shambhu. तुम्हारा नाम देख के मुझे गाना याद आ गया. हर हर शंभू. मस्त है. And tomorrow you have classes for Rudra Vikram for North Indian aspirants, 9 a.m. and 11 a.m. Okay. Tomorrow DI class timing is 11 a.m. 10:30 we have one event on Guidely for IBPS clerk. So don't miss that event guys. Okay. Before your examination we have planned something for you. Abhi alone can complete the work in 2 days, 2x days. Okay. So they are giving us in the variable form Abhi's days, and the Pavi alone can do a work in 3x days. Clear? And the ratio of the efficiency of Pavi to Malar. Okay. Now 4:3. So they are giving there the efficiency. Now Abhi and Pavi together complete. So Abhi and Pavi together complete the 50% work in 6 days. That means they are completing half work in 6 days. That means they are doing the complete work in double days. 6 2s are 12 days. Okay. So what we have here, Abhi and Pavi doing the work in 12 days. I am doing these kind of things only for your understanding guys, but in exam hall you don't have so much time to write these kind of things. You have to do, okay, a plus p is equal to what, 12 days. That means you have to do here with you can go with your fraction method here. Okay, because we can't find the LCM method, we can't find your total work. Okay, so we can't go with the fraction LCM method here. Okay, now what we have, 1 day work for A is 1 by 2x, 1 day work for Pavi is 1 by 3x. Okay, and the both 1 day work is 1 by 12. So LCM is 2x and 3x is 6x. Here is 2 3s are 6 and 3 2s are 6 is equal to 1 by 12. Okay, 6 2s are 12, 3 2 5 2s are 10. So x will be your 10. What they are asking, how many days Malar alone can complete the work. Efficiencies ratio is this. So days ratio is in reverse order, because you know that efficiency is inversely proportional to days. Okay, so 3:4. Okay, so Pavi's days are 3x, that means 30. 3 value 30. So Mala's days is 40. Okay, so answer will be option number 2. 40 will be your correct answer. Rudra Vikram is completely bilingual. Content is in English. And I am using like cost price, mark price. I am not using Kray Mulya, Vikray Mulya there in Hindi. But sometimes I am using the some numbers. Okay. But I will try in upcoming days completely like numerical values in English. Okay. Yeah. Statistician. Ankita. Okay. Next one. I think सबको समझ में आया होगा. Any doubt, guys? Fraction method. Okay. This is very important for your PO prelims and mains. Next one is, do this question. Jack and Alice started the business with an investment in the ratio 4:3. Okay. After 4 months, Anna joined them with the double investment of Alice. तो इसके double investment से Anna join करती है, तो double of 3 is 6. After 4 months, at the end of the year, so in 1 year you have 12 months. That means they are joining for total 12 months, and she is joining only after 4 years. That means 12 minus 4, she is joining for 8 years. Okay, 4 3s are 12, 4 3s are 12, and 4 2s are 8. Okay, again we can cut. No, yeah, we can cut with 3. 3 2s are 6. So what we have here, 4:3:2, 2 2s are 4. Clear? Now the total profit in the business is this. So this one is your profit ratio, investment into time period. So 4 3 7 4 11. 11 units value is total profit 132.00. 11 ones are 11 twos are 1 units value is 1200. So what they are asking here, they find the profit share of, then find the profit share of allies. That means this one, 3 unit value. So 12 into 3, that means 3600 will be the correct answer. Option number 4 is correct. Is it clear, guys? Any doubt? क्लियर? संस्कार भूले भटके आ गए तुम हैं? नेक्स्ट, smart approach. I want a smart approach for this question. Already I am giving you hint in the starting. Most wanted 25. Acha, I used 25 here. No, I am using 25. Okay. Okay, now in this question, when you are feeling like question is taking some time, then start your mental calculation or some logic in your mock analysis. Okay, I am not saying that you are doing experiment in your live test. After taking the test, you have to do mock analysis, and in your mock analysis find the some best way to do these kind of questions. Okay, if question is taking more time. A vessel contains a mixture of milk and water. Okay, the quantity of milk is 80 liter more than the water. Okay, suppose milk and water, so this one is x, so this one is x plus 80. Okay, now if 60 liter milk and 80 liter water is added, now the mixture of the ratio milk and water is 3:2. Okay, then find the quantity of milk in the vessel initially. That means what? You know one thing now, this one is what? Completely x plus 140. Okay, and this one is what? X plus 80, and the ratio would be 3:2. If we are going with the first option, that means x is equal to what? X plus 80. Okay, they are asking for x plus 80. If we are taking 120, that means this is x plus 80, because we already let x plus 80 is the initial milk. Okay, and they are asking for the initial milk. So if this is 120, so x would be what? 40. Okay, when we are taking x is equal to 40, so what we have here? 8, 6, 140, and 140, 40, 180. Okay, and here is 8, 4, 120. So the ratio between them 6 3s and 6 2s are satisfied. That means option 1 is the correct one. Clear? संस्कार क्या हुआ? Simran in Guidely. Okay. Okay, you all are following on Guidely also in Hindi language. मेंस की रिकॉर्डिंग नहीं पसंद. ओके ओके ओके, recording, actually you all have some data issue na. Done with this question, you can go with the simple method also. Okay, I will tell you. If this is what your final milk is x plus 140, okay, and your water is x plus 80, and the final ratio is 3:2, so you can go with this also, cross multiply and find the value of x, and the final answer is x plus 80. Okay, you can go with this method also. This is your call. Next, do this question. Simple prelims level. Means आराम से, yeah, slowly 150, very good Geetam. 1800 chocolates, okay, are distributed among Ava, Faye and Arya. Now, if Eva receives 40% less chocolate than Arya, suppose if Arya has 100 chocolates, 40% less, that means 100 minus 40, Eva has 60 chocolates, and the Faye received 80% less chocolates than Arya. Arya has 100 chocolate, 80 less, that means 100 minus 80, what? 20 chocolates. So the ratio will be here 0, 0, 0. 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are, and 2 5s are 10. Yeah. Find the difference between the number of chocolate received by Eva and Faye. तो इवेंट पे ये रहे 3 minus 1, that means they are asking for 2 unit. We have complete unit 1800, that means 5, 3, 8 and 9. So 9 unit if 1800, so 1 unit, 9 2s are 18, 200, and they are asking for 2 unit, that means 2 2s are 400. Okay, who is giving the answer? 400 is the correct one. Geetam, delete कर दिया, deleted your message. 400 is the correct one. Now next. Okay, we did this wrong number series at the we are moving for the data interpretation, and board DI are most expected for your IBPS clerical examination. Now we are starting from tabular. Okay, do. Now this is very important DI. Both are caselet and this one. You have to do in within a time, and I will after this class I will discuss the timing for each questions also. Okay. Now what we have here, the given pie chart, exact level. Okay, pie chart shows the watermelon products in 5 different farmers PQRST and the given percentage of the jackfruits. Okay, so you have total number of fruits, that means 100%, sorry, 100% is equal to total number of fruits is equal to what? Watermelon plus jackfruit area. Okay, now what we have here, one percentage and one is numerical value. So we have to find out all these values, guys. Okay, so where we have questions, let me see. Okay, we have this side of question, so we can make one chart for this. Okay, you can go with this also, no issue, but we can make chart. If we have jackfruit 60% and this is watermelon, that means this one would be 40% because both are 100%. Okay, 30% jackfruit, that means this value is equal to 70%, this value is equal to 50%, and this value is 60%, and this value is what? 45%. Okay, so I am doing these kind of things only for your understanding, guys. Okay, in exam hall you can do this thing directly. How? If you have 40% is equal to this, that means 1 unit की value 4 8s are 32 and 8 1 unit की value 8, so 60% is equal to what? 8 6 are 48. Okay, if 70% is 201, so 7 3s are 21. 1 unit की value 3, so 3 3s are 9, this one is 90. Clear? If half is 180, then other half is also 180. Nothing to do there. Okay, if 60% is 330, that means 1% is equal to what? 6 5s are 30, 55. So 40% is equal to what? 4 5s are 20 and 4 5s are 20, that means 22. Correct? Okay, in next one is 45% is equal to 270. If 45% is equal to 270, that means 9 5s are 45, 9 3s are this one. तो 1% की वैल्यू आ गई 6 आ गई, और यहाँ पर 6 5s are 30 and 6 5s are 30, that means 33. आई बात समझ में? This one is 220. Okay, clear? Very good. संस्कार जैक 480, 90, 490. This one is 90, 180, 220 and 330. Okay, clear? Any doubt, guys? Anyone else? Now in this question what we have, now we are moving for the question. Now if I am asking for the timing, only 30 seconds are enough for this thing. Okay, only 30 seconds. I am giving you more. You can do this 25 seconds or 30 seconds. Now what is the difference between the total number of fruit produced by farmer Q? So total fruits are 210 plus 90, 300, and total number of fruit by R. So this one is 18 18, 360. So 360 minus 300, that means 60 is your correct one. Okay, without pen and paper. Next one is, do this question. The total number of watermelon produced by farmer T. So T's watermelon is 270. Is what percent more than The jackfruit produced by R, 180. So 270 minus 180, that means 90. Okay, or 90 by 180 matlab 1 by 2. Simply we have 1 by 2 matlab 50%. Okay. So how to do this question? The total number of watermelon produced by T. So this value is given 270 and the jackfruit produced by R is 180. Okay. How much percent more or less? That means how much more? 90. And comparison with what produced, then the total number of jackfruit. That means comparison with R's value. So we can take in the denominator. So this one is 9 ones are 9 twos are, and 1 by 2 fractional value of what? 50%. You can go with by option also. Okay. Clear? Next. Exact level. You have 2 to 3 questions are easy level and 2 questions have some like 3 to 4 line calculative as your examination. Now in this question, the ratio of the total number of fruit produced by S to N. We don't have here N, S to N. So total number of fruits in S is 550. Okay, so ratio will be 11:7, S and N. So 11 unit value we have 550. So 1 unit value 11 fives are, so 7 fives are 35. We have fruits in N. Now the total number of watermelon produced in R and N is 380. So watermelon in R and N is equal to 380, and R's watermelon we have what? 180. Okay, so we can minus here 380 minus 180. So we have N's watermelon what? 200. Okay, now they are asking for the jackfruits for N. So jackfruits for N, total watermelon plus jackfruit is equal to total fruit. So we have to minus here 200. So we have jackfruit 150. Option number 1 is correct. Okay, very easy. Next. There is nothing in this question. Okay, but they are asking like this, the same language in your examination in PO and clerk. Next. Same revenue based question. I don't know why students are not interested in data interpretation section. When we are starting DI PPT, then they will go. Okay, they are going like we are not interested in data interpretation, and in your examination you are starting with your speed bands, and after that you are doing data interpretation, and you are like always asking for arithmetic that ma'am we are not able to do arithmetic in your in real examination. Okay, so I don't know what kind of problems you have. If shop A, the cost price of each watermelon is 15 rupees. Okay, so 15 rupees in shop A. Okay, the total cost price of all fruits. So we have total cost price is 16800. Clear? Now the price of watermelon is 15 rupees. And find the cost of the each jackfruit if all fruits of shop A are produced by farmer P only. तो farmer P ने 320 watermelon produce किए and 480 jackfruits. Now the price for each watermelon is 15. So 320 watermelon 15, and we don't have the price of each jackfruit, so we can let X. Okay. So this one is what? 15 twos are 30 and 15 threes are 45. That means we have to minus here 4800. So this one is what? 12,000 upon में 480 is the price of each jackfruit. That means 0, 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 fives are 20. Option number 3 is correct. Clear guys? Now okay. Okay, 25 is the correct one. Again, this one is our last question, and after that we are moving for the case slate. Find the ratio of the total number of watermelon produced by farmer Q So this one is 210 and the jackfruit by 2. That means this one is 330. Okay. So 200 and this one is 330. Okay. So 210 upon में 330. That means 3 sevens or 3 ones 7 is to 11. Option number A is correct. There is nothing to do. Okay. Okay. Now done. Now we have only here a caselet. 1 minute. Okay, we can expect this kind of caselet in your IBPS clerk. Okay, most expected. So first, you give one try for this. Halwa question. Yeah. How much time required for this caselet, guys? Only within a 2 minute you can do this caselet because there is nothing. They are giving you the simple language in like ratio and percentage. Simple. Okay, there is nothing tricky. Very good, Geetam. Okay. Now, बताओ वैल्यू क्या आई है? What we have here, the given information shows the total number of shirts, orange, green and yellow in shop A and B. So we can make here table A and B, orange, green and yellow. 3 types of shirts are there. Okay. Now, shop A. For shop A, they are giving different data and for B. Okay. The ratio of the total number of orange and green shirts. So orange and green shirts ratio is 4:7 for A. We are solving, okay. And the ratio of the yellow and orange. So yellow and orange we have 1:2 ratio, okay. So here is orange 4 unit. Here is orange is 2 unit. So we have to make this also 4 unit. Then we have to multiply with 2. 2 2s are 4 and 2. Now we can combine this ratio. Orange, green and yellow. So orange is 4 unit, green is 7 unit and yellow is 2 unit. Okay, by this 4 7 2. So orange is 4, green is 7 and yellow is 2. Okay, now what we have again here, the difference between the total number of green and yellow shirt is 200. So green and yellow 7 and 2's difference is 5 unit and 5 unit is giving what? 200. So 1 unit value is 5 4s are 20. So 4 4s are 16, this one. 7 4s are 28, this one. And this one is 2x, that means 2 4s are 8, 80. A is data done. Clear? Very good. Now, in shop B, the average number of orange, green, yellow shirt is 140. So 3's average is 140. That means total one is 14 3s are 42. Okay. The total number of green shirts sold 40% less than the total number of orange shirts sold. Okay, that means what? If green shirt, okay, the number of green shirt 40% less. So if this one is 100, so this one is 14 less. So this, so 2 5s are 10 and 2 3s are 6. 5:3 ratio. Now, again, the total number of orange shirts sold is double of the yellow shirt. That means yellow should be half of the orange, that means 5 by 2. This one is 2.5. 5 3 8. 8 to 10. That means we have 10.5 value is equal to what? Total. Because total is 420. So 420. Okay. Now we are taking here 0. So this one is 4 times. Okay. So one unit value is 40. So 4 5s are 20. 3 4s are 12. And 25 4s are 100. 1 0 cut by point. Okay. So this one is your final value. Okay. This one is 100. I know there is something like writing issue. You know now that all three's values is equal to what? 420. So we have 5 unit plus 3 unit plus 2.5. That means overall, if 10.5 unit is equal to 420, that means 1 unit is equal to what? 40. And we are multiplying with 5 into 40, 3 into 40 and 2.5 into 40. Is it clear or not? Now we are going with the questions here. Okay. Thank you, sir. Your first question, yes, do. Guys, if you like the session, then please like the session. Okay. One 180. Find the difference between the total number of green shirts sold by A. That means what? 280. And the yellow by B. So yellow by B is 100. 280 minus 100, 180. Next. Do this question. Yes, 180 will be the correct for last one. Now, in this question, if the average of the number of orange, yellow, blue, we don't have blue here, okay? Orange, green and yellow, okay? So, we have here average of orange, yellow, blue is 140. That means total we have 420, okay? And we don't have the value of blue shirt, but we have orange and yellow for A. So, orange and yellow for A is 160 plus 80. That means 240. So, we have to minus 240 here. This one is 8 and 180. Okay, this is your blue shirt. Okay, 180 for A. Okay, now if the ratio of the total number of blue shirt A to B is 6:5, now we have blue shirt in blue shirt in A. What 6 units value? 180. So this one is 180. 6 3s are 118. तो ये 5 6 3s are, तो 5 3s are 150. यही पूछा था. Option number 2 is correct. Okay. Now next one. करो. Find the ratio of the total number of orange shirts sold by B. Total number of orange shirts sold by B 200 to the total number of yellow by A. Yellow by B, that means 80. 4 5s are 20 and 4 2s are 8. 5:2 will be the correct one. Okay. Next. The total number of green shirts sold by B. So green shirts sold by B 120 is what percent of the total number of yellow shirt by the same shop? मतलब कि 100. 100 से 20 ज्यादा, that means 20% more. सीधे करेक्ट. ठीक है, क्योंकि 100 के रेस्पेक्ट में ही तो परसेंटेज निकालते हैं. तो 100 के रेस्पेक्ट में कोई भी वैल्यू जितनी ज्यादा उतने परसेंट ज्यादा. यहाँ कुछ सॉल्व करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. नेक्स्ट. दिस वन. If the total number of green and orange shirts sold by C, okay, orange and green, okay, green and orange is 15% more and 25% less than the orange shirt sold by B, that means total 200, and this is 200. So this one is 15% more, and this one is what? Green, for green. Okay, and for orange, 25% less. 25% less, that means we have to take here 75%, that means 3 by 4. 4 5s are 25, 3s are 15. Okay, and find the sum pucha hai. That means 15% more. So we know that 15% is equal to 3 by 20 more. That means we have to multiply directly 23 by 20. 10, 230. Then sum is what? 538, 380. Option number 2 is correct. 320 wrong hai. Okay. 380 is the correct one. Okay. Now again we finished. Okay. This is all about today, guys. I hope you learned some new things today. And if we are asking for the time, that time management for this mock test. Okay. You have like we can go this point. Okay. For arithmetic section, today is moderate level. Okay. So what is the sequence for this mock test? You can go with approximation first. Okay. Within a 1.5 minute, you have to do this part. For quadratic, you have 5 quadratic. Within a 1.5 minute, you can do this part. Okay, try to solve. You have to make some targets, na? If you are going like directly quadratic for 1.5 minutes, that means you will frustrated. You will frustrated. Okay, because यहाँ पर अगर हम बात करें आपसे कि आप अगर इसको that means if you are doing quadratic in 3 minutes, in 4 minutes, that means you can't go for 30 plus. Okay, so this is the correct timing for these things. For tabular DI, you can take 2 to 2.5 minutes. Okay, for wrong number series, if there is only difference based wrong number series, then we can take only 2 minutes for this. And for caselet, you can go with 3 minutes with solution like 1 to 5 questions. And for arithmetic, you can attempt, if you are comfortable with caselet, if for this set, caselet is very easy as compared to your arithmetic. So you can go with this also. If you are comfortable with caselet, you practice like enough number of caselets. Okay. And after that, arithmetic. Okay. So you can decide according to yourself which part is comfortable for you. Okay. And for each arithmetic, 30 minutes is enough. In some questions, like 3 to 4 questions we have, then they can take like 40 seconds. Like, sorry, 30 minutes, no, 30 seconds. Okay, 40 seconds. Clear? Okay, thank you so much. If you like this session, then do comment in the comment section if you want more main session for upcoming examination, because this is only for today. I am taking your prelim session. If you want, then we will take prelim session, but I am here only for your mains classes, guys. Okay, I am providing you here mains classes in upcoming days. Okay, so sir, chalo, bye bye, take care, and जाते टाइम क्या बोलते हैं मुझे नहीं पता तमिल में. ओके, सो शुभ रात्रि, गुड नाइट गाइज, ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर योर अपकमिंग IBPS clerk examination. Don't panic, give your best and read every question very carefully. Okay, because this is the very important thing. You all skip some points, you like you forgot to do save and next, so don't do these kind of things. Okay, silly mistakes. Okay, so chaliye, bye bye, take care and good night.